Hello guys, this is Huawei lock HR04. This is the black color. So today I will box open of this device to show all of you guys. Okay, back side like this. Okay. The device is packed in this color box. The menu, English menu. Here is the cutting template. Okay, this is the upper foam protect the indoor device. Okay, here is the main lock body. Here is the black color. This is the outdoor part, front part. This is indoor part. So HR04, they say have two colors, the black one and another color in rose gold. But each package are the same accessories. Under is the lock body. We call it mortise. Here is the strike plate. Here is the install screws. And this is the mortise. Two pieces refer key. Each device with two pieces cards. Two pieces key, and here is the other accessories of the screws for installation and the square rod for mounting the device. Okay, inside is like this. Each package, each box around 2 kilogram. 10 pieces in carton box. 10 pieces. Okay, this is the black color, so we can see another color. Another color is rose gold. Okay, the same. Okay, this is the rose gold color. So the device supported to work with up to your smart or TT-Knock usually provides on your requirements. Also, it to support for the frequency RF remote. Okay, here is the rose gold color. What is the frequency remote? Is this one. So the remote cannot compatible to up, Tuya or TT-Knock. So if you choose Tuya or TT-Knock, cannot choose the remote. If you choose remote, then cannot choose Tuya or TT-Knock, something like this. So lead to your clarify your requirement before the order. Then our factory can provide a production on your requirement to make the order. So hope you guys will like this model. It's very economical style for the market. Thank you for watching. Thanks.